Can we lift the house up and move it?
No.
Guys,
Tom,
what have you
Ben,
done?
that should be fine. He connected it to the house.
No, it's apparently it's still connected.
Where is it connected then?
I know it's connected to that grave,
Right.
which is connected to that.
Right, you figure all that out, because I'm gonna go...
Yeah, there you go, it was the grave which was connecting it.
Right, I'm gonna stick all of our stuff into a chest. We suck at Minecraft.
What you do? You
No,
go.
I don't. Those guys do. Okay, there you go.
I want to be a hamster.
Too bad.
There you go. Please don't say, oh, damn, I didn't realise I was that close to the house.
Did you
Oh,
connect
damn,
it to the
I
house?
didn't realise.
You're all idiots. Dear me. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, Kane? Kane,
Wow.
you will not be in the series if you continue to mess about.
So,
Go find some gravel. No, go find some sand.
No, I got gravel. Yeah, Kane, go get some
Go
clay,
get some sand.
actually. Clay.
Clay or sand?
I want to see if I can
Go
make.
get both.
Get
Kane,
both.
get 2 stacks of clay, 2 stacks of sand.
I wonder what
Damn,
else will
no. That was taking forever.
do. No, it won't.
No, it won't. I've already got 2 stacks of clay already. No, of gravel.
Yeah, gravel's easy to find. Clay's not.
Clay's underwater.
Yeah, I'm gonna go
Clay's
for
easy.
I'm gonna go
There
look
you go,
for...
I landed the airship.
Good.
No,
Right, everyone fix the house. Well, actually, right.
no
Tom.
that's fine like that.
Yeah,
That's
Tom.
fine like that.
You help Ben
Yeah.
build everything, whilst me and Kane...
No,
Kane...
I can do.
Yeah, but Kane's gonna look for... Kane's gonna look for gravel, and I'm gonna look for sand.
I'll go mine then.
I don't
No,
even
I
have a
have
pickaxe.
gravel,
I
Taylor.
made
I
you
have
a-
2
I made you a
stacks of
tinker's
gravel.
Yeah, I meant...
Right, is this you? Who's this?
I'm not even in yet, so...
Who's this? Which I'm about to.
I
hit?
found a load of clay.
Right, that's Gerard Kane. So I'll leave him. Yeah.
Where's the spare ship?
We don't
There's-
have a
there's-
spare ship.
We don't have a spare ship.
Oh,
So don't you dare go in that, or I'm gonna kill you.
can we make it? Can I make like a tiny ship that I can fly around in?
Yeah, but that's gonna take ages. But yeah, go ahead.
How do I get the air balloons? Where did you get them from?
You need wool, or isn't it?
Yeah,
like
Search it up,
string or
Kane.
something?
Wool. Okay, I'm gonna go get wool.
and you need string.
Kane, get
I
some
need-
for beds as well.
No, I'm okay. I'm gonna get 2 pieces of wool.
No, we need a load of wool for beds.
I can't. Oh, I'm gonna go kill this fish.
Fish? What do you mean?
Oh, I see clay. I'm gonna drown getting it though.
No, I've got a load of clay. I've got 24 clay.
And now
It's
I have.
so deep though, so I could do with finding a thing.
A squid.
Yeah.
I can be a squid. I can be a squid. Come on, squiddy.
Well, do you have a squid?
No, I nearly am a squid though. I'm changing into a squid. Come on, squiddy. Come on, squiddy laddie.
What is that noise? Right, you get the clay then. You get some more clay, and
Yeah,
I'll go.
So Taylor, you get some sand.
I'll get sand. I'll look for sand because I can't find any
Look,
sand.
they can't swim.
Oh look, there's some sand here. Oh, there's a load of sand over here. That's fine.
Wait, do I mine really slow as a squid? Oh my god, you mine too slow as a squid.
Yeah.
I got some baked beans.
Oh well. Oh well.
Kill a little fish.
Kane, it doesn't matter. Just get clay. Okay?
When my captain Charlie comes back on, I must go back to the moon. I will abandon you.
Name it. 'Cause
Oh.
otherwise we will have to kill you.
Taylor, why does it take? Can I have a shovel, someone? I'm in the. Because otherwise I can't get clay.
No, it doesn't matter because you won't drown if you're a fish.
Right,
or
I'm
anything.
joining, guys.
It's like I'm breaking a piece of obsidian with my fist.
No, it's not. It's actually pretty fast.
It's not for me.
I've been doing it pretty fast. Oh, there's a load of sand here. That's right. Right, someone go
Right.
take a shovel to Kane.
I'm at the top.
Right, where are you?
I'm in
Joining
the
now.
squid who's on land.
Who
I'm
would
on
make
land.
carpenter blocks just to do
There.
nothing with them?
There.
Because-
Right, I'm on a dirt stream at the moment.
Come to the
Still
ocean.
loading.
I'm the.
No, I
I'm
don't
the
know.
squid.
How many? You want to use?
3 sticks.
Right, I'm
Guys,
on half a
I'm-
heart.
Yeah.
Wait, let me regen.
You just
Oh,
burnt-
I've gone back underground. Flipping out.
Yeah, you burnt to death.
You burnt to death.
Help
What, am I
me.
dead?
Yeah, it just said you
Yeah.
died.
Your gravestone's in the house.
Alright.
Dead.
Just come back to the house and then.
Yeah,
Okay.
well, I'm still falling in void.
Give me.
Sage. How did I burn to death anyway?
You're on fire somehow. Tom, did you just
Yeah.
teleport to me?
I don't know, I'm still in fucking void. It's just some shit now.
Just leave it for a while and then you'll do your
Yeah, I leave it for a while and then it kicks me.
We'll just see what it does this time. What's that block? over there?
Alright,
That's
I'm
great.
at a house.
Yeah, I'm coming back to the home now. How do I... Is this gonna be easy to mine? Oh, that's alright. I wonder if you can you
Alright.
use hardened sand?
Ow! A mushroom just hit me.
Yeah, it's obviously...
Oh wait, it's Tails. Oh, it's
It's
Kane.
Kane.
Yeah, yeah, you little.
Ah!
Oh, what? I won. I died instantly.
Really?
I hit
You
him with
one
a stick
shot
and he
me.
died. Well,
I was on, like,
that
one
serves you right.
TP
That's
me
really
back.
I
Oh,
just
God.
did... There's a
Mushrooms
cow.
can't swim.
Taylor, TP
I
Kane
did.
to you.
Who do you think that cow over there is?
Oh,
That's
a
not
mushroom.
me. I'm not.
No, there's a cow over here. How come it says Gerard Kane?
I'm not a cow.
I'm a human being.
Pig.
Yeah,
Okay, so... Grout. Okay, how do you make grout?
You need clay, sand.
Well, you can actually
gravel.
make sand. You can make gravel and pulverizers. You can make clay from what? Slag. That's strange.
I'm still falling. This is so shit.
If I...
Guys, I got 2 stacks of gravel for us.
Now I'm burning. Yeah, now I'm burning for some bloody
Oh, hello,
reason.
Tom. Oh no, that's Kane.
Well,
Just
Oh, I'm starting to
okay,
lag.
Taylor, this second it just only said I burned to death before I
Really?
was still alive.
Right,
Now
Ben.
it says unknown killer was slain by Gerald Kane.
No, it's the other way around.
you can see him.
Guys, I'm underground.
Well then, I'll TP you to me. Slash. TP.
no, Marco, I'm not calling you a nerd.
Right,
Oh,
Every
Taylor,
time I go
you
to the
beat
craft
me.
table, it says Tinker Table. What the hell does that
I
mean?
know, because it is a tinker table.
Oh,
Okay.
fuck.
Oh,
Do we have
I
any
need, I
fuel?
need that hat. Oh, it's a Norwegian flag. I've got a Norwegian flag hat now.
Oh, does anyone have a furnace? We need a furnace. I've got some
Taylor,
stuff
you
for a furnace.
TP'd me.
Turn his skin off, Kane.
Ben,
He's
can
really
I
annoying
have
me.
a sword?
Can you have a what?
A sword.
A sword
No.
or something.
You have to make one.
I'll
Yeah.
give you muscle.
I've put 2...
Oh, Kane, watch out, watch out.
Can I do that?
Kane, that is why I said watch out and you
There's
just stood
there's
there.
kind of stuff in the thing for you.
Oh, I'm still falling. It's just-
Well, I can't help you there, Tom.
Oh.
No, I don't need that. Great. Okay, I have 16 grout. No, 64 grout. Did you restart your Minecraft, Tom?
Yes.
Restart your computer.
Oh no,
Pardon?
I'm not doing that. I'm
Pardon,
not
Dad?
doing that.
No.
I'm just
You'll
going
start
delete
to
the
die,
server,
Kane, in a minute.
Then add the server again and see if it works like it normally does.
Why the hell did you put red rock down?
I don't know. I didn't know what it was. I was curious.
I don't have
See,
that pickaxe.
how do you make grout? Oh,
I got a pickaxe in here, it's a Tinker's Construct one.
Yeah. King did something to the wall.
Yeah.
I'm taking a
Right.
I have one seared brick. Oh, and I got a book, Mighty Smelting.
Yeah, I've got that book. It shows you how to make the smeltery and stuff.
I know how to make a
Right,
smeltery.
Tom, you should be falling through the world.
No, I'm not falling. I'm
Yes.
not. Oh no, I am falling.
It
You-
will only take a second. This
You were
time.
jumping for it a while, and then you just fell.
Right, Taylor.
Ow.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm getting hit. I'm hungry.
I got some steak.
I'm getting 100 FPS.
Taylor, here.
I just got 77.
I'm getting.
Oh, of course, mod packs give you more FPS, don't they?
Yeah.
Forgot about that. What is this? What are we making here?
This is our new house.
What did I do with my steak? Oh, there's a zombie coming after me. What did I do with my steak?
If you need more,
There it is.
Why
I
are
have a
pigs
pig.
so
Oh,
fat?
sorry, I thought it was a pig.
Pigs are so fat they can't even get through the door.
No
Ah,
animals can get
hit
through
me,
doors.
zombie. Ah, you can't make me morph into you either, stupid. Oh, I got 2 muscles. I am a pig and I cannot fit in a door. I'm a fat piggy.
Where'd you get a flag from?
I got it. I got
Oh,
it
it's
from
Ben.
a zombie.
Oh,
Yeah, I got it
right,
from
Ben,
a
is this
zombie.
our smelting room? Is this our smeltery room, Ben?
Guys, can you break the block where I'm standing in the room now, please?
I can kill you.
No, just break the block where I was standing on. Can you just
You're not,
do that?
You're not standing anywhere.
Yeah, I know, but where I normally stand, can you break that block?
No, my
Oh look,
dog.
it's Taylor. Kill him.
No, I'm not sure we can.
That's my sword. Give it back.
Ow.
Oh, okay, there you go.
Give it back.
No, I don't even have your sword, so shut up.
Don't just turn off your computer and turn it back on. There you go.
Are you
Huh? Yeah, I am, yeah. Okay,
I'm just making. Don't do
right, is this other house our smeltery room?
Taylor, I'm trying to make a shovel.
It's not me,
Whoever was just in the
it's
crafting.
Kane.
I was making a hoe. I need to hoe
Oh.
some.
Well, I needed to make a shovel, and I
Get hoed. I will hoe you. You're gonna get hoed. I wouldn't fight me. I'll hoe you. I will hoe you. Oh god, I'm gonna die. No, half a heart. No.
Oh my gosh, Kane. Get in the house quick.
No, I nearly died. I have no. I'm gonna eat some mussels.
Ben, don't go outside. Oh, dear me.
it's clear to me that I am OP.
Can you cook rotten flesh?
Yeah, I think
Oh,
you
what?
can.
This skeleton didn't have a bow. It was just chasing me.
Yeah, I know they can do that.
Seared brick.
Okay, yeah, I'm making seared bricks because I need it for Tigger's construct.
You need a. Don't you need a?
A what? A what, Kane? Ben?
I'm Ben. Oh yeah. Okay.
Who's poisoned? Oh,
That's me.
why are you making a chest?
I had to eat rotten flesh.
Oh, right.
You're
Oh,
right.
it's...
He's got a door.
Yeah, stick a chest down somewhere.
Wow. That'll do.
Sun. We don't have anything to... smell?
Oh, if I dye, some blue dye, then I can get some cactus green.
There's some blue dye in here.
Yeah, no, if I find some
Green dye.
uh
Cactus.
Yeah, so I'm gonna go with that.
Cacti. I'm gonna go chop down a load of trees because I need a load of wood.
Hey, Taylor, can someone go mining and get some iron so I can get a bucket and start a farm?
Yeah, Tom was meant to be doing that, but he can't. He can't.
Tom, are you here?
No.
Yeah, I'm fucking here. I'm falling through the fucking void. And I'm pissed off now.
Language. Stop.
This is taking
Stop.
forever.
Don't worry, it's fine. It's fine. I can just bleep
Oh
it out.
my god.
Oh,
just
I
beep it.
found ore, guys. I found tin. You want tin? It's underwater, and I'm gonna die. Goodbye.
Tin. No, turn into a squid. Turn
Come
in.
on. Squid powers. Come on.
Was it going to be from
Turn into a
drowning?
land squid.
Yeah, because
I'm a squid now.
you can go into water without drowning now.
I know. I'm really fast in water as well. I can swim so fast.
Yes, I have a load
You
of wood
just
now.
you stop so slowly.
Who's that man in the act?
Right, guys, I'm restarting my computer. It's taking forever.
Bye bye.
No, I'll still be on the Skype call. I'm just,
Alright, yeah, girls, because you use your iPad, don't you? Or whatever.
Kindle, but
Shut up.
no.
Uh,
It's gonna take a while, this is.
Can I get us some mushrooms to get some mushroom juice?
Yeah, there's
I'm
quite a lot of
Force
mushrooms.
restart. Yes, please.
There's a double chest here. And we can still open the pack.
Ben, can you go mining?
Yeah.
Ben, how'd you make a never mind. Oh, I'm gonna make a lumber axe.
What does that
Well, they're
do?
wow good,
Yeah,
Taylor.
it's like tree capitator,
Yeah.
but better, kind of.
Even better, much
Because
quicker.
not only does it do that, it's quicker, and also if it's not like a tree, it mines a 3x3 area of wood, so I could like demolish our house and like really quickly.
I do that.
We should get the
Can't
timber
build
mod. If we can get the timber mod, that'd be so sick.
What's timber mod?
Where you hit the bottom, you destroy the bottom, and the whole thing collapses.
Yeah, that's
Tree cap.
tree capitator.
What is that on this server?
No, but you can just make a lumber axe.
Oh, I'm gonna make one of those.
What do I need for a pickaxe? I need a crossbar. Ben, did you have a crossbar?
I'm ferrous.
Oh, ferrous is iron. Also, ferrous is not ferrous. It's like aluminium or something. No, that's
Yeah,
bauxite.
it's quite useful.
Yeah, it's very useful though.
Ben,
So-
every ore you, Ben, listen to me. Every ore you see, just mine it and take it, alright?
Yeah.
Because every ore in this pack is kind of useful for anything. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can someone go and get some like? I
I'm
just
grabbing lots of ores. By the way, you find diamonds quite higher up in this mod pack.
I know.
I find redstone at like level 6. It's like really common.
Guys, there's a load of cows. If anyone wants to come slaughter them.
It's like in vaults, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, mum.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
BRB, guys. BRB.
Oh, cool.
Right.
Be good. Okay, see you on Sunday. Okay.
Taylor, can you give me a flint and steel?
No,
Yeah.
I don't have a
Oh,
flint
I
and
was
steel.
gonna-
We don't have any iron.
Okay.
Oh,
Bye, mum. Love you. Bye, dad. Love you.
I was gonna burn cat
I'm
mushrooms.
home alone. I'm home alone.
I'm not home alone. I'm not home alone.
Oh, that's a shame. Right,
I got a lot of meat.
I made a wooden pickaxe, Ben.
Cool.
But
I made one.
It's got a stone handle, so it should mine a bit quicker than usually.
Bye, dad. Love you.
See that? I'm now gonna make a lumber axe.
Taylor, in a minute, can you TP me to you because I got a bunch of food.
That's a
but I haven't-
hatchet. Oh, there's no lumber axe. What? axe head and a handle.
I got copper, guys.
Is it a
Oh,
lumber
what?
axe or is
I
it a
found-
hatchet? Is it a lumber axe, Ben, that we needed?
It's a hatchet.
How'd you
Or
get a
lumber axe.
hatchet?
I think it is a lumber axe.
Lumber. Oh, there we go. What a lumber axe. How do I recipe? Oh, I can't see how to make it. Don't we need to upgrade the tool station or something?
Yeah.
How do we do that?
Can you TP me to you in a minute? Because I got a load of food.
I'm gonna see how to make how to upgrade the tool station. How to upgrade the tool station.
Back on the BT.
I should put
Oh, I
Minecraft.
found loads of steel.
Minecrafty. Tool station.
Can we get quarries on there?
No, I don't think you can get quarries. No, I
No.
don't think so.
Oh, quarries would be awesome because then we could get all really easy.
How do we upgrade it anyway?
Yeah, but hammers are like. proper
Wait, tool
good.
station.
Oh yeah, can we get hammers on there?
Yeah, I've got one. It's in my hand. That's how I'm mining so fast.
I only get a hammer.
Wait. Used in. We need to make a tool forge.
Yeah, you need
Yeah,
a
I know.
mine block for that.
We need. Oh my gosh.
Well,
How much iron do you need? Because I've got quite a lot.
Four
my-
blocks.
Okay.
4 blocks and 3 seared bricks.
Alright, so 4 blocks should be...
4 times 9, which is 36.
Okay, my mental math
Just get-
sucks.
How much iron do you have then?
Pardon? Hey. Wait there, guys.
Okay. I could do with a lot of iron, to be honest with you guys.
Yeah, I need 3
Whoa,
iron. for a
30
buck.
seared bricks.
Taylor, I have 16 beef. How much beef? How much beef do you want me to get, Taylor?
I don't know, I already have like a stack. Tom,
yeah,
do you remember James Thompson or Thomas or something?
yeah,
Yeah, he
Good
just
go,
Skyped
boys.
me.
Oh, sorry.
really.
Sorry,
Yeah.
Gracie. Who Skyped you?
Someone we used to play with.
Hey,
Ben,
let's-
I'm gonna put the tool forge. No, I'm gonna put the smeltery in that room that we made, that you
Hey.
made.
Taylor,
What,
TP to you, and I'll put the steak in the furnace.
No, because I'm smelting stuff already. Oh, you need so many seared bricks, and I've only got. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need about 8 more, but I also need to make like the furnace and everything. So would someone go get some more clay?
Yeah, if you let wait, no, I'll be if I get TP me to you, and I'll get a shovel and then I'll go get some clay.
Yeah,
I
because you
got
can breathe underwater. Okay, would you not be me?
I,
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna be you. I just need to.
Yeah, I know,
Why
but
am I? Yeah, I don't need to clean the chest, to clean swords and stuff.
Taylor, can you TP me to you? Because I have no idea where I am. I got lost. And these stupid tiny cactuses are just everywhere.
I know they are, aren't they?
I've got so much stuff to plant when I get a bucket.
Yeah, I know. There's a lot.
When I get
of
a
stuff.
bucket, I've got 2 cheeseburgers. Right, I got all silver, 33 lead ore, almost a stack from a stack of iron ore. I got 42 copper,
Well,
12 tin ore,
make about 40 iron. Put
38
about 40 iron.
aluminium,
But
and
do you have any
10
coal?
ferrous
Do
ore.
you have any coal?
Yes, hello.
Ben,
Aye.
can you?
There's a
I've
furnace
Taylor, we gotta
behind you.
do. Taylor, we gotta do what the ores cats do, like place like all the blocks down of the ores.
Maybe.
Nah, that's terrible. I don't know.
Well, it'll be
Electric
awesome 'cause it looks
furnace.
cool.
Yes. Yeah, I will.
What's good about a netherrack furnace? Redstone furnace.
Oi, Ben, can I have one piece
Copper
of iron?
bricks,
I can make an
fishing
iron
frame,
shovel and go get
something.
a load of clay.
Okay, I'm gonna actually do that.
Ben, can I have some
Well,
iron?
what does this do?
Where?
Stone
I'm right
pan.
here. I'm right here, Ben.
Yeah, no, wait. I'm building this up for one more.
What's this? Oh, I love this stone. It's so awesome.
There you go. Okay. I dropped all of it. Take one and put the rest in the chest.
Yeah, do we have any
That's
coal?
really nice, actually.
Or,
Boom.
I don't think we do.
Taylor, when you get the lumber axe, go on a massive chopping spree because we need more wood.
Yeah, I know.
Like that.
But I need.
Wait, this passable.
I know.
What the hell? What's wrong with these furnaces?
Nothing. They're half slab furnaces.
They're awesome.
I know.
Witchcraft.
Ben, we have like 5 furnaces now,
Oh, that's good. Yeah.
but they're like half slab ones. So.
Do they work the same?
Yeah, they work fine. They work the same. I'm just gonna take all the wood that we have out because I need to smelt. What do I need to smelt? I have no. What am I doing? What am I trying to do? I'm not sure. Right, King, get grout. We need grout.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go get
Right, we have plenty. We have plenty of gravel. We need sand as well.
I'm gonna go get some grout now. Well.
I'm gonna make a special.
Oh yeah. Guys, have you seen the Yogscast new song?
No,
The
No.
Moonquest song.
no, I haven't.
It's quite good.
What's it called?
Moonquest.
Oh.
Wait, I need to make a shovel.
I need to get more baked beans.
I'm going to get clay right now.
Bolt builder.
We'll wait for the ocean monster. Why can't I sprint anymore?
I'm not sure. King.
My sprint. I don't know why. Oh,
Are
wait,
you
no, I
out of
sprint-
hunger?
No, I can only sprint for like 2 seconds. And then it's like, nope. I put in wood. I'm failing myself. Oh, I found